she get the car washed before this. It's so dirty. What's up guys, thank you for watching another video. I literally just woke up, but as you guys seen by the thumbnail and title, we are wrapping the E92 in Christmas paper today. Hopefully it goes smooth. I don't think it is though. We were watching videos last night of people doing this, and people were saying it takes like over 6 hours. So hopefully we can get it done quicker than that. I have this fool helping me, and I told some more homies to come because I'm not doing this alone. And I'm not the first person to do this. A lot of people have done it, but I'm finally doing it. I'm finally doing it. Every Christmas, I'm like, I want to wrap my car in Christmas paper, and I never get to do it. So this year, we're actually gonna do it. Tomorrow is Christmas for you guys. It's Christmas for you guys. So happy Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Should we tell my win?
This guy thinks he won the lotto last night. You think you did?
I fucking won.
Guys, I honestly think he won. I'll keep you guys updated in the next vlogs, but I think he won the lottery. Like $69,000.
69.
That's a lot of money. It's not like the million, but still. Here's the Christmas wrapping paper that we chose. Little Santa Claus, and it's gray. I want it to look perfect. I want to do this as if it was a real wrap. So I want it to look like a realistic wrap for the car. Yesterday, me and him went to go look for some Christmas wrapping paper. I recorded a little bit on my phone, so I'll replay that right now. White would be cool. What about like this? But I feel like something like that's gonna be harder to keep the lines. I'm trying to make it look like a real wrap. Like something like this, maybe. I honestly think gray, because I've always wanted to see my car gray. Oh my God. We did it pink. Pink would be pretty sick too. Or we could do this, but I feel like it'll still be too similar to like my red wrap. It's gonna look the same. Oh my God, this is hard. I feel like I'm actually choosing a new wrap for my car. We chose this color. I was gonna do red, but the car is already red, so it probably wouldn't be that big of a difference. So I chose this. It has gray and red, so it should look completely different. I chose something that I would want to wrap my car. I've always wanted to wrap my car in like a gray like this. So hopefully we get the idea and we get the whole car wrapped today. But before we get too far into the video, make sure you guys smash the like button for me. We're about to wrap this whole thing and spend hours doing it just so we can have a cool vlog and get some cool photos. I don't know how much wrap we need to wrap a car, so I got 4 of them. Hopefully it's enough. And oh, it's like matte.
I like it in its thick.
We're doing a matte finish. What, you think it's gonna look cool?
Yeah, like we're gonna do it this way, like this.
Yeah, I think like that. We have to make it look realistic. Like guys, I'm gonna tuck the edges like a real wrap. You know what you're doing? You've done this before? We just got to it.
You're lying.
Bro, this better be good. How do you even do this? Like, how do we start, Hugo?
Well, you're gonna take forever. You should have started early. Well, no, you kind of started at the same time as I did.
Guys, Hugo wrapped his car. I'll put a picture right here. His shit came out perfect, so hopefully ours come out like that too. I don't think it's gonna work though. Look at it. We're almost done with the hood. Bro, it actually looks really sick. We haven't seen it with the hood down yet, but what we found out that's hard is that this paper isn't wrapped. It's just Chris's wrapping paper, so it tears super easy, which that sucks. It's starting to tear in like little spots like this, so that's gonna be hard. Oh my God, dude. All right, well, the hood's done. That's like probably 10% of the car. Oh my God, just looking at this, I feel like we got so much more to go. It's like we're actually wrapping a car. Guys, check this out. Almost the entire car. Maybe we're like, I'm gonna say 50% done. We got the doors done, the hood, the fenders done, and the trunk actually looks sick. The carbon fiber is still showing, the plate's showing. The trunk looks badass. We got so many people on this car. I think it's gonna be a lot faster like this if I was doing it myself, so Shout out to other homies who came. This thing looks crazy. The trunk, I think, is like my favorite. The front bumper is gonna be hard. I don't know how we're gonna do it.
Me or you?
You. The front bumper is why it has to be the hardest. To get through all of this little edges and stuff. Up close, it looks very bad, but from far, that shit looks badass with the headlight. Rick, he thinks we should tape everything like this so that no wind gets in there.
The fucking tail lights too.
Hello, you wanna help? Bro, look how much we got. Look at the front end. It's so hard. Nah, I think I might leave the roof. I thought it was a GTR. Oh my. Damn, it looks so bad.
Oh yeah, you gotta take
Oh
that.
no.
Oh, look at this.
Wait, why does this look like? Oh, I need to cut this. Oh my god, bro. I'm literally sweating. All of us are freaking tired. How long has it been? We started at like 4 hours, I think, bro. 4 hours at this, guys, and I think we're finally done. At first, we were trying to be perfect with it. Like, you guys seen the hood. It was perfect. We did like a perfect cut, perfect tape, everything. But now towards the end, after like 3 hours, we were completely over it and we just started taping pieces everywhere. So here is how it looks. Check this out. Oh my god, dude. It actually does not look that bad. I don't know. From far away, it looks good, but when you go up close, it does not look good. Look at this tape. We just started throwing so much tape on it. This is a pain in the ass. I don't think I'll ever do this again. This is the last time I do this. But it looks sick. From far away, it looks badass.
No way.
Oh my god, this is the final touch, bro.
Right here.
I didn't know you had those. Good thing you did, bro. That looks sick now with the ears and the nose. Okay, I'm gonna test it on the street. Let's try it.
Full on race car and shit. Full on drift build. Put that back.
Dude, it looks freaking sick. Look at the headlights. Oh my goodness, dude. That's not gonna work. Actually looks sick, I'm not gonna lie. On camera, I'm looking through the camera, it looks perfect. Right there, it looks like it's peeling. Oh my god, I feel like it's gonna fly off when we drive.
I got it.
It looks sick, dude. The rear looks badass. It looks like my car's white.
You gotta get used to it, bro, when you get a race car.
Okay guys, here's the first drive. I'm so scared. I feel like it's all gonna come off at one time. I thought he was gonna work. That shit worked. Dude! Oh my god. Alright, let me take a couple photos and then we're gonna dip. Actually looks so sick. It doesn't even look like my car. Makes you want to wrap my car white now for some reason. No way. What's up, dude? Thank you, bro. I'm trying to make a video. Thank you, dude. I appreciate that. How did that dude find me? That's dope. I guess he watches my videos. Bro, I never get to hear my car from the outside. Oh my god. No!
No way.
Bro.
What happened?
Oh my god. I don't even know if I got it.
No way.
Well, that didn't last long, dude. I think I got it, but it was far. No way. See, we were about to go on the freeway now. Shit was about to happen. You guys, now it's starting to go pill everywhere. This isn't gonna last. It was Rick. It was Ricardo.
Nothing. No.
Ah, it's ruined, dude.
Ow. You fucking spent 5 hours doing this shit.
I know. We just one bullet and fell off.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling you. Sleigh ride together with you. Just see those.
Why shit doesn't do that? It does not look good anymore. The hood's off. This peeled off during our little race after I gapped Gustavo. Oh, it's actually holding up good. We're going like 100 and over 100, bro. 110, I think I looked down. Oh my god. Well, guys, I think it's done. The wrap is done. I did almost crash, huh? I'm just gonna leave the fenders and front bumper. It looks kind of cool. I give props to the people who actually wrap cars good. That is a pain in the ass, dude. I can't even imagine that. We wrapped the M3 in Christmas paper. It took 3 hours for those of you guys that are wondering and wanting to do this. It was a pain in the butt. I don't think I'll ever do it again. Shout out to all the homies who came through though, because I would not have been able to do that by myself. I'm gonna end the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed what we did, please smash the like button because it took so freaking long. Smash the like button, comment down below what you guys think of that. And if I should change up the wrap, because that kind of gave me an idea of like changing the wrap up to like a gray or something like that. So smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga.